So you haven't got a million followers. You haven't got £1 million. You haven't conquered the scene, let alone your own town. And although you've searched for a greatness that can't be found, and you've screamed into the wind without making a sound, and can't see now beyond these darkening clouds, can you really reach for Olympus from down on the ground? But you ain't a David Bailey, Da Vinci or Dostoevsky, a revolutionary, romantic or a household name, and it's a shame, because you feel you've something to say, a story to tell, a moment to capture, a picture to paint. And yet this remains hidden, away from view, behind a mask fashioned of everyday deadlines and fatigue, clouded by self-doubt and excuses. It's useless to try. But why? I know you've felt the itching in your palms, the twitches in your eye. I know the compulsion you try to hide. I know what keeps you up at night. The fear that if you tried, you might fail, or you might just do this. So just create. Create without a need for it to be seen, without a plan or a scheme, because in every footstep there is something new. And every time you see the world renewed. Imperceptible aging on a loved one's face, memories lost in a faraway place. A place and time captured in your lens. They say change is the only constant, yet you alone have the power to capture that moment. Cradle an idea, preserve a thought or feeling for prosperity, not for celebrity, not for personal gain, not to elevate your name, money or fame, not to impress, not to depress, to force a worldview or reinforce your own, but because you must. You must create. This is the oxygen in your veins, the beating of your heart. This is as simple as converting proteins into amino acids. This is breathing. You contract your diaphragm and inhale all that you see. Through your thoughts, your vision, a camera and a lens, you exhale your art. Only giving as much as you take, for you are the artist, and you must create. So I give you a pen to hold and eyes to see, hands to sculpt and a throat to sing, a camera in hand and a foot on the stage. I've opened your book and it's all a blank page. The future's unwritten, you decide your own fate, for you are the artist and you must create.